I think this is an additional confirmation of the safety and efficacy of the vaccine. There were several people that they were more skeptical than others about the vaccine being used with an emergency authorization license. And despite the fact that this is one of the vaccines that have been used in more than 1 billion doses right now around the world, hundreds of millions in the United States. So there is no medical product that has so big safety database right now. But still, for those people, that meant a lot. BLA is a very comprehensive process. That's why it takes so much time. Just to give you a magnitude, the file that we submitted to the FDA was 360,000 pages. So it took a lot of time and resources from our side to put it together, and took a lot of time and resources from FDA to review it. And I think that is why it is an important milestone that I think will unlock some of the more skeptical minds to do the vaccine. We will also submit a supplemental, as they call it, application to incorporate into our full approval the license for 12 to 16. I believe that the ages 5 to 12, we should be having the full set of data ready for submission by the end of September. And then it is up to FDA. And then I believe that younger than 5 years old ages, it will take us a couple of months more. We are aiming to produce this year 3 billion doses. To give you a magnitude of the size, we released in the first 6 months 1 billion, which means that we will release in the second 6 months 2 billion doses. This is because already we were able to ramp up, particularly the manufacturing of raw materials. What we plan to do is focusing on producing as much as we can and focusing on the science base on monitoring every single variant that appears around the world and see if this current vaccine in its current form is effective against this variant, or if it's needed to go through a booster, or if needed to go through a specific vaccine. This is what we are doing for the time being, and we don't plan to change that.